I've got a problem with this RUTX12, folks. It's quite old, and the second SIM, I seem to have broke the tray and it keeps on dropping. Now look guys, I'm not into repairing hardware, but look, I'll try my hand at anything. I think this is the best way to resolve it. Folded up piece of old sellotape, stuff it under there, yeah? That gives it a nice cushion. It's not going to drop. Job's a good one. SIM connected. If you need your RUTXs repairing or anything else for that matter, guys, give us a shout. 50 notes per repair. Always happy to help.